Today I am going to tell you how to get money into your bank account while sleeping at home. There are some weaknesses in my English usage and speech. First of all, I apologize to you for that. But I am sure you can easily understand this as the video clearly shows all the does and doesn't. There are many people around the world who make money through this method called affiliate marketing. With a passive income system, you can achieve great success through this. Today I am going to show you how to advertise the products on Digistore.com through YouTube and make money from it. I will show you a very successful method that can be done without any initial capital. So don't miss this video and watch it till the end. Withdrawals from this site can be made to PayPal, Pioneer and any other bank account. This is a very reliable website that anyone around the world can do. If you have not yet subscribed to our channel, subscribe now. You can watch such valuable videos as soon as they are released by clicking on the notification bell icon. So please subscribe now and click on the notification bell icon. Don't forget to comment on your valuable ideas and experiences. Our goal is bring you successful ways to make money online. We will tell you how to divide this system into 3 parts. The name of this website is Digistore.com, and when you visit it you can see the certificate of trust of the website. You can also check this out by visiting the Trustpilot website. Press register with the registration button in the upper right corner. Then fill in all the details given here correctly. The vendor and affiliate at the top here allows you to sell products and add your products to this site. Then enter all the information given here correctly and register with the register for free now button at the end. Then go to the website. After registering, go to the marketplace in the top right corner. There are a large number of products under a number of different categories, and selling these products will enable you to make a large profit. All you have to do is advertise this through the referral link of the relevant product. We will tell you very clearly how to do this for free on YouTube. So watch the video until the end. Take a good look at all the products here and choose the ones that are more profitable and easy to sell. Products with higher star rating are the ones that show more sales. To show you how to do this, I will choose the weight loss meditation here. Get your referral link through the promote now button there. Then copy it to the BitLife website. Then we will see shortened by BitLife is advertised on YouTube. YouTube Short is a fast-paced method that we use for this purpose. Go to Facebook videos to get the videos you need to create that video. Then enter the title you want the video to get. I found a video on weight loss method as an example for this. Then visit getbit.com to download it. Download the video as shown here. Then go to the canva.com to edit the downloaded video. Select mobile video into upper right corner. Then use the words and arrows at the top and bottom of the video. You can do it very easily as shown here. Create and download the video yourself as shown in this video. You see, this is a video I made that way. Then you go to YouTube, then upload your video as a short video. Enter share short in the title and description. When applying tags, this way you can create successful videos and get successful results. More than 20 people come to this system, and if your video goes viral, you have the potential to make a lot of money. See you in another valuable video like this. Thank you.